I'm Mona, this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have Happy Mail. It's from Gosha at Dolls, Trolls, and More. If you don't watch her channel, you may want to take a look. I will have a link below. She told me she was going to send me something. Yep, I think so. And Gosha, Cynthia at Ambrosia's Dollhouse and I are going to start doing a series of challenges. It's a collab between us to challenge you all to show us boy dolls, different boy dolls. Each month on the 15th of the month, we will announce what boy doll we're going to be highlighting and if we're doing anything with it, and we do have some ideas. We have one coming up that I'll wait to announce so that we all announce at once. And I did not have one of these boy dolls, so she said, I'll send you one. She didn't send me just one, she sent me two. It is a boy Chelsea doll. Why they did not give this little cutie a name, I don't know, but she also sent me a little red-headed Chelsea. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness, look at that little bitty bee outfit. She is adorable. Look at the little shoes. Let's open him up. And we will open her up another time. Oh, she is. We might open her up right away. I love a redhead, and she looks a lot like my favorite red-headed Barbie. Oh, isn't he cute? Look at these tiny clothes. Hey, Gilly, look at his shirt. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Let me move his hands so you can see it. And he's got these cute little boots. You know what? I'm not going to force that off right now, but gosh, that's cute. It looks like the outfit is all in one. That's a clever way to do it. It keeps the shirt tucked in on these little bitty dolls. We're going to be doing all kinds of boy dolls. And you don't have to run out and buy one, because wait for another month and we might do the ones that you have. Look at these pigtails. Oh my God, she is so cute. Gosha's channel has a lot of different dolls. She does a lot of the reborn doll hashtags. She has beautiful reborn baby dolls, and she dresses them, oh, what they used to say, to the teeth. Oh, they are adorable. Just adorable. I like these little Chelsea dolls. I do wish they would have given him a name. The little Kelly boy is Tommy. You would have thought they would have given him a name like, I don't know, Phil or Bobby or something. But boy, these are cute. Thank you so much, Gosha. Go by and see Gosha's channel and stand by for our upcoming boy series that the three of us are doing. And we hope you will join in. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.